Hi guys, it's Joanna, and today I'm gonna show you how to apply this kind of makeup. Very simple, very easy. So ayan, sana po tutukan ninyo, especially dun sa ating mga kabataan na bagay yung mga ganitong klaseng makeup lang. So ayan, panoorin nyo po kung paano ko ginawa. Bye! See you later! So guys, ito gagamitin natin yung face moisturizer. And next, yung BB cream. I use L'Oreal Lucent Magic BB cream. So let's try. Let's apply it. You can use your fingers. Na-apply nyo na yung BB cream. So, but if you can see, meron pa rin ako mga dark circles na visible. Yan, meron ako. But, I can make it disappear using concealer, of course. I'm using Elle Girl concealer. This is lip and face concealer. So, apply natin. And you can put here and here. Your nose. And also here. And when you apply concealer, dapat hindi siya pabilog or hanggang dito. Dapat ganyan lang siya. Pa-triangle. So, medyo na-conceal na siya. Pero, syempre, i-blend natin siya. I'm gonna use my beauty blender, sponge ball, or whatever you want to call this. You can use the edge para dito sa may eyes mo. So, some other people, ayaw nila na parang oily tingnan or something. So, you can actually put powder on top of it, pero dapat yung close lang sa complexion nyo, skin complexion. Para lang mawala yung oiling dating. If you know what I mean. Not too much kasi ito nga yung ating fresh look or no makeup. Naman of course yung eyebrows, kilay. This is very important kasi yung kilay talaga magdadala sa buong feature ng face mo. Kasi kung wala kang kilay, parang alam mo yun, parang blanco lang yung face mo. So I'm gonna use NYX. This is eyebrow gel, yung EBG03. Let's apply it. Ayan, so meron na kayong eyebrows. Ayan, very natural lang yung dating niya. So, next naman, syempre, hindi mawawala para sa ating mga pango. Very light na nose line. much better kung brown eyeliner ang gagamitin nyo. So, mas natural yung dating niya. So, I'm gonna use brown. Hindi masyadong makapal. And don't make it full. Hanggang dito lang siya dapat. Kalahati lang. Blusher. So, can I use my small blusher brush? Okay. And this is for me, ganito yung gusto kong gawin. Gusto kong ma-achieve na fresh look. But still, it depends on you kung ganito rin yung gusto nyong i-try. Kasi actually, pag naglagay ka dito, nakakalaki talaga siya ng face. So, this kind of way of putting blush on ay perfect para sa mga payat. I'm not saying na maliit yung mukha ko. Kasi malapad talaga siya kahit na payat yung katawan ko. Kung nga na, hindi ko na nga rin alam kung ba't ganun. When trying to achieve a natural look or no makeup, dapat hindi tayo gagamit ng super red na lipstick. We can, pero hindi natin masasabi na fresh look yon na no makeup. Kasi syempre, red is very bright, very loud color. So, this one is from 3 Concept Eyes. It's Style Nanda from Korea. And very sikat dito yun sa China. So, ayan. And of course, sa Korea. So, ayan. Pink lang siya. So, ayan, guys. Ito na po yung result ng fresh look. No makeup, but still, of course, you're still wearing makeup. Just to clarify it. Kasi yung iba medyo may violent reaction na dun sa no makeup na post ko, pero actually it was no makeup. So ayun, but anyway, sana may natutunan kayo and sana ma-apply nyo rin. Yan, ganyan lang siya, very simple, very beautiful. Not me, I mean the way you apply it, very simple lang. So, ayan. So, guys, sana may ma-pick up kayo. And maraming salamat po ulit sa pagtangkilik ng mga videos ko. And you can share this if you want para sa mga ibang friends nyo na gustong ma-achieve yung ganitong kasimpleng makeup lang. And of course, please, hindi nyo pa po nalalike yung page ko, please like it. I'm gonna share lots of videos, hindi lang puro pagkanta, hindi lang puro pag may makeup. Iba-iba po ang itatry kong ma-share sa inyo para mapasaya po kayong lahat and may matutunan din at the same time. So yun lang po, maraming salamat and God bless you all. Mag-iingat po kayo lagi. Bye!